Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by creating a spotless workspace because tiny dust kills adhesion. Use a closed room or put the camera near a bowl of water to reduce airborne particles. Power off the camera and remove any hood or case to expose the lens area. With a microfiber cloth, wipe edges, then use a dust sticker to pick stubborn specks. This prevents bubbles. Finally, lay out the protector, backing tabs visible, and orient it to the camera's lens shape so you are ready to align. You should dry fit first so alignment is obvious. That saves rework. Once satisfied, peel about half of the backing away while gripping the protector by its borders with tweezers or clean fingers. This prevents fingerprints. Bring the exposed edge close to the camera and align the center point. Make sure markers or cutouts match. Lower the protector at a shallow angle so the adhesive meets the lens gradually. This helps air escape. Once the center touches, press gently toward the edges to secure a uniform bond. You finish by sealing the protector and removing bubbles. Starting at the center, use a microfiber or small squeegee to push bubbles outward to the edge. This ensures a clear optical path. If you see a dust mote trapped, use a dust sticker to lift it. Avoid lifting large areas which adds fingerprints, and replace the protector if the adhesive fails. Finally, power on and test focus and image clarity. Make minor shifts if you notice haloing, because precise alignment.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.